Welcome back to Bitcoin Dorks. In today's video, we dive into an insightful blog article that explores the seasonal surge of Bitcoin and the possibility of reaching $35,000. As we all know, Bitcoin's price movements have always been a topic of great interest and speculation. Let's dig into the details and examine the factors that may contribute to this potential surge. The blog article suggests that Bitcoin's price may experience a seasonal surge, potentially reaching $35,000. It highlights the historical patterns and trends observed in Bitcoin's price movements during certain times of the year. One of the key factors contributing to this seasonal surge is the phenomenon known as the January effect. Historically, Bitcoin has seen significant price increases during the month of January. This effect is believed to be driven by various factors, including increased market activity, renewed investor interest, and the anticipation of positive market sentiment at the start of a new year. The blog article points out that Bitcoin's price has exhibited consistent upward movements during the fourth quarter of the year. This trend is often attributed to increased buying pressure and heightened market participation as the year comes to a close. Investors may seek to capitalize on potential year-end price increases and position themselves accordingly. The blog article highlights several factors that could influence Bitcoin's price in the near future. These include macroeconomic factors, geopolitical events, regulatory developments, and the overall market sentiment toward cryptocurrencies. The cryptocurrency market is highly influenced by external factors, and any significant changes in these areas can impact Bitcoin's price trajectory. The ongoing mainstream adoption of cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, has emerged as a major driving force behind its price movements. As more individuals, institutions, and even countries recognize the potential of Bitcoin, its demand and value continue to rise. The increasing acceptance and integration of Bitcoin into various sectors of the economy have a direct impact on its price trajectory. One significant factor influencing Bitcoin's price is the positive news surrounding institutional investments. Institutional players, such as hedge funds, asset management firms, and corporations, are increasingly allocating a portion of their portfolios to Bitcoin. Their entry into the market brings substantial capital and institutional credibility, which reinforces Bitcoin's position as a legitimate asset class. When news of institutional investments breaks, it often sparks optimism and investor confidence, leading to upward price movements. Another critical factor is regulatory clarity. As governments and regulatory bodies develop a better understanding of cryptocurrencies and establish clear guidelines, it creates a more favorable environment for their adoption. Positive regulatory developments, such as the recognition of Bitcoin as a legitimate form of payment or the introduction of regulatory frameworks that provide investor protection, can have a significant impact on Bitcoin's price. Increased regulatory clarity reduces uncertainty and fosters investor confidence, attracting more participants to the market and driving up demand. Widespread acceptance is also a key driver of Bitcoin's price surge. As more businesses, both online and offline, begin accepting Bitcoin as a form of payment, its utility and value increase. When consumers can use Bitcoin to purchase goods and services in everyday transactions, it solidifies Bitcoin's position as a viable alternative to traditional currencies. The adoption of Bitcoin by countries grappling with economic instability or restrictive monetary policies has the potential to propel its price higher. In these circumstances, Bitcoin offers an alternative store of value and a means to bypass capital controls imposed by traditional financial systems. When a country or region experiences increased Bitcoin adoption as a response to economic hardships, it can trigger a domino effect. As individuals and institutions within the affected country witness the benefits and possibilities that Bitcoin presents, they are encouraged to embrace it as a solution for financial sovereignty. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin allows individuals to maintain control over their funds and escape the limitations imposed by unstable or restrictive monetary policies. This growing demand for Bitcoin within countries seeking financial independence can fuel significant price surges. The adoption of Bitcoin as a means to bypass capital controls can also attract international attention. When countries impose stringent capital restrictions, individuals and businesses seek alternative avenues to move funds across borders. Bitcoin offers a decentralized and borderless financial infrastructure that enables individuals to transact without the limitations imposed by traditional banking systems. Bitcoin's price surge is not solely reliant on the adoption of a single country but is driven by a combination of factors, including market dynamics, investor sentiment, and global events. While the adoption by countries seeking financial sovereignty can have a substantial impact, it is essential to consider the broader context of the cryptocurrency market and its overall growth trajectory. In conclusion, the adoption of Bitcoin by countries facing economic instability or restrictive monetary policies can have a profound effect on its price. Bitcoin serves as an alternative store of value and a means to bypass capital controls, offering individuals and businesses a pathway to financial autonomy. When one country embraces Bitcoin as a solution, it inspires others to follow suit, creating a domino effect that fuels demand and drives up the price of Bitcoin. And that wraps up today's video. We explored the intriguing possibilities of Bitcoin's seasonal surge and the potential for its price to reach new heights. Remember, Bitcoin's price movements are influenced by a variety of factors, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay tuned to Bitcoin Dorks for more updates on cryptocurrency markets and important news. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification